अंतिम. So क्या अंतिम देखेंगे कि नहीं? Thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for having us here. I'm feeling so proud, and right now I'm dealing with a lot of pride to be back at my very own college, and I'm just so happy. And right beside me is the star of the film, and that's Ayush Sharma. So over to you.
What's up, Harvard College? Why are you guys behaving so much, yeah? Like in college, we don't need to behave and all that. You're in college, have some fun. We need to enjoy ourselves. Don't worry, for the last 15 minutes, I was having a conversation with a beautiful principal, and I was asking ma'am, can we please break some discipline codes today? Because, yeah, so we were negotiating that for all of you so that you can have a lot of fun today. But most importantly, thank you so much, ma'am, for having us over. Thank you for giving us an opportunity. And thank you so much for a beautiful introduction. But most importantly, I am very happy here because, when we were shooting Antil, she used to keep talking about her, when she started when she was at the age of 9, and she was shooting, and she used to be in school, and she used to be traveling, and she used to come back for exams. And now she came to Thakur College, and she was constantly doing something or the other. And that really inspired me. Because most importantly, I would like to thank a beautiful principal, because sometimes what happens is that when we talk about acting, people always focus on education. They don't give the person a chance to go and act. And acting is always considered one of those, extracurricular things. So first of all, a big round of applause for your principal for giving Mahima this shot. Ma'am, thank you so much. I will firstly say that you're promoting acting, you're promoting your career into acting, and we have an example right in front of us who has made it in Antil.
So we will never feel like it's enough after hearing whatever you have to say. We're going to make you keep talking throughout this event and promoting your film. So thank you for the initial words, but we're going to come back with more. But yes, it's definitely a huge thanks to our management, our trustees, principal ma'am, HODs, coordinators, teachers, students for making this happen. And they are the ones, you usually might think that it's the students who ask for all the celebrities, but in our case, we have it the opposite way. We have our teachers and our management supporting us so much with these things that are always pushing people to bring the best people to encourage them and the students. So a big thank you for coming and taking time out of your busy schedules. I'm sure you have a lot of promoting to do, and there's one place after the other that you're going to go to. So I would like to ask our team.
Shali.
Yes, sir.
So अभी ना गाइस आज हम बहुत मजा करने वाले हैं बिकॉज हमारी अपनी बच्ची कॉलेज में है और मिस्टर आयुष शर्मा भी कॉलेज में है, तो आज ठाकुर वाला टशन दिखा के रहेंगे. So are you all excited? Are you all ready? So guys, now we are playing the trailer of अंतिम, और इतनी जोर से ताली बजाओ कि सलमान सर चंडीगढ़ में है, तालियों की आवाज उन तक जानी चाहिए. गाइस, एक बार सलमान खान फिल्म्स के लिए हिप 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 हिप. And now 3 cheers for Ayush and Mahima. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Sir, I had a question to ask you personally. So, speaking of the last film that you did, Love Actually, it's a very romantic role that you had. Now, how was the transition from being a romance hero to becoming a villain in the film? Was it a difficult transition for you, or was it as fun as the last time?
See, last time I had to dance a lot. This time I had to fight a lot, eat a lot, make a big body, and do everything that I'm not in real life. So I think it was very difficult for me to play this character, get into the skin of this character, and understand because I'm not from Maharashtra. So I didn't know the whole idea, the language, the behavior, and everything. But it was fun. I would say it was fun. And I think it was more fun because my mom was there to drum the last on set.
Sir, and Mahima, what was your experience like? Like we want to know everything that you felt what it was to constantly, be in the hustle mode and going every day with these shoots. And I mean, just tell us what you felt and how was it a game changer for you in your career?
I think this is nothing less than a dream come true and a very big opportunity because I had an opportunity to start my Bollywood career with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, and this very amazing actor that we have to watch out for. So I had an opportunity where I could, make my transition from television to Bollywood, and I couldn't have had a better start. So it was amazing, and I feel really happy that I got to be a project which is a great script and बाकी तो सब लोग देख ही लेंगे.
Well, we have a couple of surprises planned for you from a little performance here and there from our very, very talented students who see you and get inspired every single day. So for you to enjoy that, we have to have you sit there in front of the stage to enjoy the performances to the fullest. So team, can we have our beloved guests please take their seats? Alright, before we start with the performances, can we have a huge round of applause once again for Ayush and Manu? Very lucky, very, very lucky. See, that's so sweet, Aisha was trying to get to know all the girls before dancing with them, which is something we don't really see a lot. That means he cares, and don't we all love men who care? That's a plus. So much, sir. Yes, please.
Honestly, I'm here to promote my film, but this song is quite a boring song to dance on. I just want to be honest. So, three cheers to this guy who has really made this song a very nice dancing song. I didn't know he could do a Michael Jackson. And your moves are fab, brother. I must tell you that. But anyway, still stream this song.
I guess you guys already knew, right, that you were going to get this golden opportunity. While it looked very random, I'm sure they were preparing for days for this moment. So congratulations to you guys, right? The socializing, let's give it a moment.
I really want to thank you because when I was a student, I was a very big introvert. So every time I used to come on stage, I would be like, I can't do anything, I can't dance, See where life has got me.
She's our student, we as loud as we can. And also scream louder because, oh my god, look at her. Look at her, she's so beautiful. And she has these two friends here who come here to support her. And that's industry. Well, we want to know if anyone in the audience has something to ask her, and if not, it has to be you, ma'am. Right? So, if anyone wants to ask a question, please raise your hand. Oh, the girl that I see here in red, yes. Please, can we have a mic passed on to her?
So first, I'm a huge fan of yours since Shubharam.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So my question was for you, like you have acted since a child. So how did you balance acting and education? Like, it wasn't it difficult? Like,
It was definitely not an easy task to simultaneously complete my studies and do what I was doing. But I think when you have such a great principal and such a great faculty to support you, life becomes easy. So I think I should thank them, Thakur College, Deepak sir, for making my school life, college life a lot more easier. So I think it was difficult, but I think you have to do what you have to do, man.